So I am very low maintenance when it comes to doing my hair, but Monat has made it easy to where I can continue to be low maintenance, but my hair just looks incredibly healthy and it styles so easily. So I've shampooed with the 2-in-1 black shampoo for the first wash. The second wash I used the smoothing shampoo, and then for conditioner I used the smoothing deep conditioner. Let me show you how easy it is for a basic girl like me to do her hair. Okay, so I'm gonna use 3 products. I'm gonna use the Rejuva Beads. It's a split end mender blowout cream, and then I just like to finish it off with the Rejuvenique oil because it gives it just a nice, sleek, smoothed off finish. Rejuva Beads, just about 2 pumps. Rub it together, and this goes into the follicle and actually repairs the split end. And you want to do it when your hair is damp. I'm just doing it on the ends and just smooths it over. Blowout cream, same thing, small amount, and just put it through your hair. Okay, basic blow dry complete. No round brush. I'm not that coordinated. I'm just gonna finish it off for a little extra shine with the oil and just to calm down any flyaways that are going on, and it just softens the hair. And there you go. These are all naturally based products, vegan, and 0 animal testing.